Hi, welcome all to this tutorial on channels. In this tutorial, we will discuss all about Photoshop channels. So let's move ahead and discuss them. Basically, the Photoshop channel menu stores the color information of your Photoshop document in the form of layers. So this panel you will find just next to your layer panel. So you have the layer panel and next to it you will see channels. If you don't see them, don't worry, you can go to the Windows menu, select channels and you will find them there. In the channel panel you will see that there are different layers. The layers are actually information about the different colors. Say that you had selected the RGB mode, it will have 4 layers. One layer will be the actual layer with the entire colors. One will be for the red channel, one for green and one for blue. In case you had selected the CMYK, then you will have 5 layers. One for the default, the actual one with all the colors. The second for cyan, magenta, green and finally black. Now each channel, say if you select the blue channel, will have the information from the shades for all the shades of blue ranging from 0 and 255. So let's dive into Photoshop and see the channels in Photoshop. Channels in Photoshop basically stores my color information depending on the mode. So the channels are separated here. So let me just look into and go here. It will be separated into 4 layers. The first layer will have my entire color channel. So if it's RGB, it will include the red channel, the green and the blue channel. If it's only red, so let me just hide this and let me just hide the others and only show you this channel. So when I remove in green, you will only see red and blue and there is no green. Now let me just also remove the blue. So you'll only see the red channel. Let me just have the blue and remove the red. And again, maybe I can add a little of green. So basically in the RG mode, all the colors that we have are basically combination of the red, blue and green, and it's separated in these channels. So if in case, if this is my channel, I want to see all of them here and, I'll make them visible and I have all 3 of them together. Channels have an amazing use when it comes to having saved selections in the case of alpha channel, which we will be doing in the following sections.